All right, last time I took the Cobra out, I noticed an exhaust leak. It was easy to determine it was coming from this side. And after we got back from the little ride, seen a crack right there. So it looks like it's the weld, the top part of the weld. On these pipes, if I remember right, yeah, the weld is at the top and the bottom, and then the inside of this flange is completely welded around. And they're stainless steel. So I'm gonna go ahead and take these off and then figure out what caused it. So probably gonna go ahead and put it in the air first and then figure out what caused it. I know there's a couple brackets under here, so figure out what caused it and fix that problem. All right, so I got the Cobra in the air and crawled around under it. Seeing that I have 2 bolts back here on the rear diff, drive shaft to the rear diff that are loose. I'll tighten those up. As far as this crack right here on the manifold, I mean the header, is, I'm assuming, since this this whole pipe is kind of moved down a little bit. From what I can see, the ball flange, the 3 bolts that go around that the header mount right there to the ball flange, maybe a little bit loose. One of them might have backed off a little bit. The other thing is this bracket right here. There's a little rubber spacer here with a 1/4-20 bolt going, or 1/4-20 threaded rod coming out of here, and then out of here that goes into the chassis. Well, it's broke. The bolt broke off in the chassis. So I didn't like that design to begin with, so I'm gonna end up putting some kind of bushing in here to replace this. Just put a bolt straight through. A little bit more strength that way, I think. But so that should take care of this side. So after going all the way through, all the way from the bottom, the back, all the way up front, I noticed my starter was loose. So I took the 2 bolts out of that and Loctited those really well, cleaned them up, Loctite them, and blue Loctite, and so that's good. And then now I noticed on the passenger side, yep, another crack. So it seems that the crack on the left and the right are on the very first, would be number 1 cylinder here, but anyway, it's on the front of the engine. So I'm thinking it has something to do with that pipe, you know, the way it's sitting. But now that I'm looking at it now, check this. Now this one's fine. This one's not broke. The hanger's good there. I notice there's a little bit more space over here. The pipe does move. Never scratched the pipes, never scraped on anything or anything like that, but I don't know. I guess it came loose over here. It's a possibility. Can't really get in there. The pipes are pretty well solid. That may be the issue too. Hell, I don't know. But I gotta get this welded now, and then hopefully not put it under the same stress the second time. I know all through my build process I had said that I plan on being the guy working on this thing, so I was doing all kinds of extra little things to make it easier to service this car. And I gotta say, if you don't do that, they are totally different when you're working on them when they're all together than when you're putting them together. Everything is tight, hard to get to. For instance, at starter, the wiring down there, I was hell-bent on making sure the wiring was heat shielded and away from heat and uptight and out of sight as much as possible, and neatness. But it became a bitch whenever I had to get in there with a tool to take that bolt out. So yeah, definitely take your time and put it together with the idea that you may have to work on it after it's all together again.